What does a church sold out to Jesus look like? Like if you took catalysts out of the community, are they losing anything? And we got to start asking ourselves this. What does a church sold out to Jesus look like? Or are we just dabbling? Because a church sold out to Jesus changes its community. The community has to change when a group of people like us, a church family, a part of the kingdom, gets together and says, this is my priority, and I'm willing to sacrifice for it. I'm willing to sacrifice my time. I'm willing to sacrifice my talent. I'm willing to sacrifice my treasure to make sure that Jesus moves forward into this kingdom. See, we should not be observers any longer, watching people do ministry. You have to get in. You have to get on the field. You have to be a part of the team playing the game that Jesus put us into.